everybody, this is Bonnie and I'm coming to you with a quick tip today. I was sitting here using my framelits to cut out little thin framelits like this, and I needed some strips to go on the back of here, but we just have the round ones, and they do sell strips. Stampin' Up! Does sell some strips, but I didn't have any. So I decided that I was going to take the mini glue dots. Around the outside of the mini glue dots, there is a lot of extra dimensional. So all I did was I cut down it. Just thin little cuts. And you make these thin little cuts, and then you have these pieces like this that can attach right to these. So then I would just take the piece, I would peel off one end of it, just like you would the dimensionals, and then you could add them to your card. So just like that. So there's a quick tip for you. If you don't have strips, you can use the little sides of the mini dimensionals, and I think there's a little bit of extra room on the big ones too that you can probably get some thin ones off. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye bye.